Hello guys and welcome to the channel. I literally still cannot stop smiling. If you've watched the live on Sunday, then you will know my news is I'm potentially moving into a new property, a bungalow. My own garden. I have level access shower, so no more screaming when I'm getting out of the bath because it's that painful. Yeah, so it is my mum's lasagna we are having. My mum made me a homemade lasagna, so thank you ever so much, Mum, for making that for me. Right, I'll finish watching Risha after. Let's get started. Right, here we are, the food is done. I've lowered the table by 3 notches a little bit so you can see it a bit better. But oh yeah, I've got my mum's homemade lasagna. It's a bit like runny this time around. I noticed it when I took the cling film off. That it was, but oh yes. I had a Tesco delivery today. I should have ordered some salad. I think some salad with this would have gone, oh. I don't know what it is. Salad with lasagna is so good, man. It's so good. That's just my opinion, and I think it goes so well together with it. I've got some sauces. I've got some Polish ketchup because Tesco didn't have any of their own ketchup, and I'm not paying for Heinz ketchup. It's the same. It tastes the same as the cheap ketchup as well. So this is the cheapest ketchup I can get. And I don't know if you remember in a London trip, the mini London series I did, I got garlic sauce from Heinz. And I was like, oh, that was really nice. I thought, I've got to give it a go. I finished first on this property I bid for, so it's mine if I want it. I'm just waiting for them to contact me for a viewing. It is Thursday it's 1 o'clock in the morning. It's 1 AM, so technically it is Friday today. So you haven't even seen the video yet of me. Funny enough, I didn't have as much stray hairs as I thought I did. I think I had a bit there or there or something. So it weren't as bad as I thought it was going to be. You know, but yeah, so I'll finish first. So hopefully by the time you see this video, I would have viewed the property already. It is very oily, this one. I don't know why. I don't care, I love it. Possibly from the cheese, because I know cheese does get really oily. It does release a lot of oil from the cheese when you cook it. So, but yeah, so if I do, I'm pretty certain I will be accepting this property. Unfortunately, that mean for the time being there will be no takeaways. It'll be all home cooked meals, because I need to save up for stuff in a new home. I'll need to get a cooker. I'll need to get everything. I need to get a new sofa. I need to do the flooring, paint. It's going to be so expensive. So for the meantime, I won't be able to film takeaways. I was supposed to be saving for a bike. That is going to have to be on hold as well, because I do need to get the place decorated. And yeah, I'm looking forward to making videos in the new home. All that's missing now is a woman to make it. I need a woman's touch, you know, to make it a proper home. So That's all that's missing now. So if I do delay the trip again to London, proper London, and also to around the UK, the reason why is because I'm saving up for stuff. But I will be doing it. You know, I can't wait though, because this place I'm moving to, or looking to move to, is so small. It's like a tiny little village, man. It's so peaceful. You know, in the garden, from the satellite image that I looked at on Google Earth, it looks pretty decent. It looks very, very decent. So yeah, the kids will love it, coming to mine, have a garden to play in. I don't know if you guys remember my sister's cat Baloo. Beautiful boy. He will be coming to me as well, because he don't really stay at my sister's anymore. He wanders around because he's old. You know how old cats are, they get set in their ways and they don't want to be around kids and stuff like that. So, you know, in order to keep him in the family sort of thing, my sister's wants me to take him, so I will take him off her hands. I should let it sit for a bit. I can't wait. It's crazy. It's crazy to say I haven't stopped smiling all week, and the reason why last week's video, last week's live didn't go ahead is because my anxiety was so bad, man. Like, even though there's no issues. I've got no problems in this flat I'm at with the housing association or anything like that. My account is in credit for rent, so I'm ahead on the rent. No issues whatsoever. My anxiety was going crazy because I finished third on one property and I was offered that the next day, after the bidding cycle had finished. And this one I finished first on, I hadn't heard anything. And this was one I really wanted. My anxiety was going crazy. I was like, constantly. I don't know if any of you guys have ever had anxiety, but you're always thinking the worst, going through the worst in your head. That's what was happening with me. I was thinking the worst. They're not going to give it to me. Something's going to happen, that they're going to pass me over. I'm not going to be able to get the property. I really, really like this one. Of all the properties I've bid on, this is one I really, really like the most. And yeah, my anxiety was just going nuts, man. absolutely nuts. So I was like, oh, yeah. I couldn't concentrate. I couldn't do anything. So, you know, funny thing is, Monday, I even called up the council and was like, I finished first on the property, but I haven't heard anything. Like, is everything okay? Is there any issues that there's there, or? I'm literally sitting there on the phone with her. Damn, this is I'm sitting there on the phone and I'm apologising to the person on the phone, saying I'm so sorry, my anxiety's just going into overdrive. And then I get a phone call on Tuesday from not from council, from my housing association. Said that they've received a request for a reference. Can I have permission to give it? I was like, yeah. So, as we're speaking on Friday morning, or Thursday, shall we say, I haven't heard back from them, but the housing association has put forward the reference. Oh, how nice would it just to get some plain bread without any butter or anything on it and dip it inside my lasagna, soak up some of this oil. Oh, that'd be so nice. As soon as I go and view this property, I will make a video and show you what it looks like. But yeah, like I said, I haven't stopped smiling all week. Last week, oh my god, it was panic stations, thinking something bad was going to happen. But this week is all good, you know. And I haven't been given time for a viewing yet, but I know I'm fine. So I'm not letting my anxiety take control, because I've heard from the council as well. I just remembered I did actually hear from the council. Because I did speak to them and they did say to me, you know there's nothing there. I was like, yeah, I know. You know, Tesco delivered to me, everywhere delivers to me, so I'm good. You know. Right, that took a while. I've managed to get down. I've drank all the juice that was in there. Yeah, I've got to find out from my mum what she put in there that was so oily, because woo, that was a lot. Yeah, if I don't eat as much as I normally do, that's because I've just literally drunken so much liquid. Using the spoon, it took me 20 minutes. But yeah, oh, I can't tell you how excited I am, man. Oh my god. It has solar panels. It has air source heat pump or something. I don't know what that. Apparently that's supposed to be cheaper to heat your water and your home. So with the increase in prices, I think that plus the solar panels, I should save a decent amount on my electricity. So when I go view the property, I'm going to ask questions about that. You know, like how do I know how much I need to, like, where's a meter and stuff like that, and because I've never had solar panels and stuff. Oh. You know what? Other than a lot of oil that was in here, this is nice. This is really nice. Once I get settled, I am going to sort out getting a PO box so you guys can send me stuff. Like if you have a child and the child makes a picture and you want it on the wall behind, then you can send me that picture that your child drew. Or if you're an artist or whatever and you want to draw something and send it to me, pardon me. So yeah, if you want pictures and stuff, you want to make a picture, or you want to get your kid to make a picture so they can see it when I have my video. You know, all it costs is what, like a stamp. So you know, it's nice and it's something I can treasure forever. You know, somewhere in my flat, I've still got the letters that people have sent me. You know, I haven't thrown them away or nothing like that. Oh. Oh. Oh man, I am fairly full because I have eaten a lot and drunken a lot. I didn't end up even using any of the dips. I'll use that for another video, especially for a video more suited to garlic dip. And yeah, this didn't need ketchup. It's very flavourful, so I don't need to add ketchup for me to be able to get it down. But I don't know where I'd be without my mum and her cooking, man. Oh man. No. Right, I am going to call it there. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I will see you Friday.